Hey, what's up, garden friends? How's everybody doing? I hope you're good. I'm great. I got a couple of awesome pots on clearance and I want to go ahead and kind of toss these together. Toss something together, I should say. Never mind this guy, I just kind of set it in there because I want to see what it looked like, but I actually want to pop these up with something to keep outdoors. Pardon the hose. Whole situations, everything's just kind of a mess right now. I've had to struggle to find places that I can film today where the light's right, and this is where I ended up, and that's fine, it works. But yeah, that Song of India, that houseplant, that's not staying in there. These pots are super pretty. They have a really nice glossy finish to them. They're very shiny, they reflect light really well at nighttime, and that lovely coppery color to them is just perfect for fall. Alright, and I have an assortment of plants to work with. I've already gone ahead and added soil and a little bit of gravel to the bottom of these pots. I don't always or really often at all put gravel in the bottom of my planters, but these are actually lighter weight than you would think. So I just kind of wanted something with a little bit more weight in them, particularly the smaller one, to keep it from blowing over. I'm going to start with the bigger pot, and I think I'm going to use this white mum. Can tell it's kind of on its way out, but that's all right. Then throw this Leucothe in front of it, Leucothe, however you want to pronounce it. Maybe some cabbage and kale, and how about a creeping Jenny? And I don't have anywhere near as much space to work with in the smaller pot, so it may just end up being a mum, maybe a kale, and some creeping Jenny. And there it is, simple and easy. A little bit more symmetry would always be nice, but I think this works out just fine. It's actually very late in the season to even be putting these together, so I wasn't gonna go out and buy anything new for these. I wanted to use some things that I already had around. The mums didn't come with any type of name, they were just assorted mums. And as I mentioned before, you can see that they're kind of on their way out. That's just, like I said, it's later in the season, but it should still look nice for another week or two. Maybe a little bit longer since the temperatures are getting cooler. Then in the front of the purple mum, and then on each side here of the Leucothe, I don't know how to say it. Those are just ornamental kales. They didn't come with the name. Again, just another assorted plant. Really, the only plants that have names are the creeping Jennies. They're the golden variety. I put one on each pot. I kind of like the way that looks coming over the front there. This is the drooping fetterbush. I'm sorry, the rainbow drooping fetterbush. You can see its full name right there. That's the Leucothe Fontasiana rainbow. I don't know, you know, I'm with my Latin. It's pretty. With the right light and cooler temperatures, it starts to get more pink variation in the leaves, and it's just a nice evergreen, pretty plant. Hardy to zone 6. It does, the Leucothe, the fetterbush looks a little bit out of control in there. Maybe I'll clean it up a little bit. But since that mum's on its way out, I'm not really that concerned about it because I'll be clipping that mum out and then I'll probably recenter that and let it kind of do its thing. Maybe throw an arbor vitae or something in these. I don't really know. But for now, I like them just as they are. Did just notice that white mum was a little bit crooked, so I went and I fixed that. But guys, that's it. Done. Simple. I think it would have been cool if I could have found some of the purple kales. That would have looked nice. But as far as these kales go, when the temperature starts to drop and they get more sunlight, they're going to get more of a vibrant white color in the center of them. That's going to look really, really pretty. And then maybe I can kind of redo these a little bit, add some pansies, something in there that'll give out some winter interest, some sticks and lights and fun things like that. And thanks for hanging out to me while I toss these together. Very simple, nothing complicated. The asymmetry is bothering me, but I just need to get over it because things don't have to be symmetrical, especially in nature. But when the pots match, like, I mean, come on. But it's what I have. I'm not buying more plants this time of year. The year's pretty much over as far as gardening goes. I'll be keeping things updated and posted on my Instagram at Tropical Plant Party. I have all my social media linked down below, down there in the roots of the video. Follow me and I'll follow you back. I have a ton of fun seeing everybody's pictures and talking to everybody. Oh, and comment down below. I love hearing from you. Suggestions, tips, anything you might have. What are some fun things you're doing for your fall or winter planters? Always love seeing the conversations going on down below the videos. And don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel a ton, helps the videos a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for doing that. And subscribe as well. Upload multiple times a week and hit that notification bell. That way you know when new videos come out. Alright, thanks for hanging everybody. And as always, and most importantly, keep on growing. Bye bye.